Hey guys, same as yesterday, but it is like 11 o'clock. 11:30. Oh my gosh. But I have been working on a shirt. So, but yeah, so I'm just working on a shirt. Here in a little bit, I'm going to clean my kitchen and dining room. I've got dishes to put away and stuff, so I'll be doing that. But I'm gonna do the shirt. So yeah. But anyway, not much is going on today. I'll probably record the kids opening their advent calendar. This morning was extremely hectic. Any of you out there have girls? And I don't know, like this morning was awful, but anyway, I will see you guys in a little bit. I'll do a little bit of cleaning. I'll film me cleaning, that way it motivates you. So I will see you guys in a little bit.
Hello. Can I open your door?
Your printer is in front of.
Sorry.
Oh, more candy.
Can we eat it?
Yeah. Hey guys, sorry I didn't film very much today, and I said I was gonna clean the kitchen. Didn't happen. But I got busy. Sorry, there's popcorn in my teeth. I got busy, oh my goodness, making earrings today, and all we really did was I made earrings. We had pizza for supper, and then we watched the Home Alone 2. So we just kind of hung out on Wednesdays. We don't have anything going on, so we just hung out at home. So it's usually the days that we clean and the kids clean the rooms and stuff like that, because it's the only day we really have off to Wednesdays and Thursdays. So yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, I'm sorry it wasn't very but tomorrow I will be busy. Have a nail appointment, have to get groceries, I need to go to Hobby Lobby, so yeah, ton of stuff to do. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.